Hey everyone, welcome into Mud's Closet. Thank you for joining me today. This is a quick project share using these little bags that I got at a thrift store. They're probably maybe 4 inches by 3 inches, and they're obviously for a baby shower. And I took this and made it into this little stuffed bag, stuffed pocket that can be loose in a journal or paper clipped to a journal or even glued down on a couple sides and used as a tuck spot or sent in Happy Mail or whatever you like. So the first thing that I noticed, I was planning on using this ribbon, but what I noticed is that it was like for both sides, if you will. It tied both sides closed. So I couldn't put anything in it if I kept this ribbon where it was, like those were in there. So I took that out, and I'll use those ribbons for something else. And then I did some collaging with packing paper, old music paper, stickers, and then I just tied some crochet thread on the back. And I did that for something flat, so if a person wanted to attach this to something, they could. I used Distress Oxide in Vintage Photo on everything, and this is the bottom, this part, covered up to make a pocket, and I just stuck a couple of tags in there. There's a little collaging here. I tied these into the holes and then put this little flower and a pearl. And some of this, this is the first time that I did just with a ballpoint pen some outlining. I saw Shauna at Shinuki Art doing that, and I like how that looks. Then I just put some things on the inside. So there we are, a little heart tag with some vintage lace. You can do some writing on it. Another tag. I had this paper near me on my work area, so that's what I used. I thought this blue went for a Trivial Pursuit card, another journaling card, a gold cutout feather. It does have stickers on, so whoever ends up with this could use it wherever they wanted. And then this is just a little journal. It's a cute little tag. These frosty little dots, I thrifted. I really, I like those. But that's a writing spot, some papers to write on, and I just used an elastic to hold them in so it could be changed. There could absolutely be something more on here, but I wanted to, things are gonna kind of heat up for me in summer activities for the next couple of weeks, so I wanted to share this while I still could. And what I love about this is it's absolutely not my idea. I'm sure that other people have done bags. But I like that it took something that was kind of specific in what its use could be and turned it into something that, that could be done for any season. And I really like how it looks. I like all the stuff. I like the busyness and the color and all the layers. So that's it. From this to this. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments if you've done anything like this or if you'd like to see a tutorial. And have a great summer. Thanks for watching.